That is so bad.
We could just take a video. We could just take.
What's up, guys? So today we are heading to the local auction. Well, not local, it's about an hour and a half away. It's one of the closest ones to us. We're going to check out this 2007 Z06 Corvette. Being that it's so close, we decided we'll just go take a look at it. It did say on the auction that there's a little bit of frame damage. Those things having aluminum frames, we actually want to see how much damage and wear before we actually buy the car. So we're going to go take a look at it and take you guys with us. Alright guys, here she is. A little damage to the front end. It's gonna need a front bumper, headlight, front fender. Little damage to the passenger door. This right here is where we're a little concerned. We're not exactly sure why the wheel has camber like it does. The frame doesn't look bad, which they've got it marked as frame damage, but we're not finding where the frame is actually damaged. We'll need a rear tub. The tub's all busted up. It's gonna need a hatch. The hatch is broke. Rear bumper, rear quarter. I believe this quarter could probably be fixed pretty easily. Bad thing is the windows are down on this thing. And it's got water. And everything is frozen. Bottom of the door panels are wrinkly and frozen from the water, so I'm not sure if that's going to come out. Doesn't run. We don't know if it runs. They won't let us jump it. So I'm not exactly sure what we're going to do. I guess we're going to wait and see. And if we think we can get a good deal on it, we might try to pick it up. If not, we'll move on to the next one. Alright guys, we're getting ready to bid on the Corvette we just looked at. It's coming up next. It's a pure sale, so high bid wins. There she is. New Michigan getting us. Come on. That might have been it. Bonus time. Ridiculous. Looks like we got ourselves a Corvette. Monday morning. Yeah, we're about to slide past the entrance. We are picking up our Z06. Well, not here. We've actually got to go inside, pay for the car, and then, where are you going? We will, you're making us dizzy. We will have to go to the sublot, pick the car up. So we're gonna go in, pay for it, we'll be back. Yeah. See if she'll fire. Can you get in? And all that snow inside. Poor car. We got the jump box on it. Here they wouldn't let us jump it. So we're gonna see if she'll fire. You got any juice? Hold on. What you got now?
I got power.
Come on, baby. Almost. Try her again. They're gonna start? Oh yeah. Look at that. She's a runner. She got oil pressure?
Yep.
Roll the windows up. She is a runner. Matt, you gotta have the door closed to roll the window up.
Shit.
So you gotta sit in the snow. You just wanna ride back there?
Come on, baby.
Does it not have a window in it?
It's got a window. We got slow to it.
Probably frozen in there. There's like hitting. We got any leaks? No leaks? Somebody stole the badge.
I think we're SOL.
Is it coming up?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna set you guys down and put this window